The entire nation is enraged over the brutal rape and murder of the trainee doctor at the RG Kar Hospital in Kolkata on August the 9th. Doctors across the country are staging protests after the Indian Medical Association, the IMA, gave a call for a 24-hour strike. On your screens are the visuals of intense protests from different corners of the country with a common demand: justice for the victim and stringent action against all of those involved. On the other hand, the CBI has continued to grill Sandeep Ghosh, the former principal of the RG Kar Hospital. He was detained and quizzed for almost 14 hours yesterday. Take a look at the protest that unfolded today.
After Kolkata horror, we are seeing everyday protests in the Hyderabad city, and T. Judah has given a call. After the Junior Doctors Federation has given a call across India for the protests, and we are seeing since last 3-4 days, doctors from across Hyderabad city, they are staging protests. And today we can clearly see here hundreds of doctors, seniors, juniors, and also senior PGs. They have gathered here at the Dharna Chowk, and even the IMA and Telangana Junior Doctors Association, they are staging the protest here, demanding for the justice to the victim. At the same time, they're also demanding secure, safe environment to the healthcare workers.
Our prime demand is, since 1 week we are protesting in various kind throughout India, but so far we did not get any relaxation. So far no culprit was identified and imprisoned. So our demand throughout India is, today we are called for 24 hours paralysis of medical fraternity and medical profession.
Few doctors are demanding that central forces should be deployed at the hospitals where healthcare workers are not safe.
Day 2 of the national-wide medicos doctors protest here, and I am standing here outside Thiruvananthapuram Medical College. The IMA of the Kerala state has taken out a protest, and right now they are procession. There's a round of procession that is doing outside the city. Their demands are safety and security for the doctors and medical fraternity working in the working in the hospitals. They're trying to save lives, and their safety is at question. It's day 2 of the protest. What are the major demands by the Kerala?
So we demand, foremost is we demand a strong central act. Under Bharatiya Nyaya Samhita, we demand a separate act for the doctors as well as other healthcare workers. In Kerala, we have already implemented a strong act. We have got 7 to 10 years imprisonment with the non-bail offence in Kerala. So we need such a centralized act.
There is this country-wide protest that is going on, and here I am in Thiruvananthapuram, which is leading the protest, where the state-wide protest, Kerala's protest, is being led in Thiruvananthapuram, and all the medical college association and fraternity across colleges, both private and government, have joined in for today's protest. This is Jalakshmi with camera person Dilip reporting for Times Network from Kerala.